Welcome to All Things Roller Coaster. Hey guys, it's me, Liam from Liam Out Loud. Thank you for checking out my new channel, All Things Roller Coaster. If you have a pair of VR goggles, now would be a good time to put them on, but be careful. Whoa! Be sure to like and subscribe, and click that notification bell. This is Lightning Rod, RMC topper track, designed by Alan Schilke. So you go up this LSM launch that sends you at 45 miles an hour. Then you go into the double camelback hills, which truly gives some astounding airtime. And then you go into the 165-foot drop, into a 95-degree wave turn. Then you go into a turn, which leads you into a sideways airtime 90-degree banked turn. And then you go into another off-axis airtime hill, which gives you sideways airtime, then some more airtime. Now you are going into my favorite part, the quadruple down, coming off the mountain. And then you get some airtime, and then you go into this non-inverting half loop, and then you hit the braking. It is truly an astonishing roller coaster. Boy, doesn't it feel great to ride Lightning Rod. Check out all my cool merch like this at rollercoasterstore.com and liamoutloud.com. Please remember to subscribe and click the notification bell. It's absolutely free and only takes a second. Come back and visit. My next video is going to be super awesome.